Hey, I am here today to talk to you about Hawaiian, well, actually, not even Hawaiian, just astaxanthin. Astaxanthin is, what is it called? A carotenoid. It's a pigment. It's a kind of reddish pigment that is in algae, in salmon, it makes it pink. In lobster and shrimp, a lot of seafoods have that kind of pink thing, crayfish, and it's kind of an amazing antioxidant. It basically is great for your skin. It's great for your eyes. It's great for your joints, your muscles. If you exercise a lot, it's really good for helping recovery from exercise. It's also great for your eyesight. I've been taking this, and I take 12 milligrams a day. I've been taking this for years. There's a woman called Mary Shook who is a beauty guru in New York, and she recommended it to me. And I started taking it years and years ago. And it's, as I said, it's great for your eyes. I am, I guess, coming up close to 60, or on the other side of 55 anyway. And I don't wear reading glasses, so I know that it's helping my vision. I've noticed that my eyesight is not declining as fast as it might be at my age. I also notice that my skin has a lot more elasticity, a lot more sort of bounce. And that's really the thing. If you are obsessed with your skin, this is definitely something that you need to take. It helps build collagen. It helps, it kind of stops wrinkling. And also, really interestingly, there have been a bunch of PubMed tests that show that it reverses UV damage. So it actually starts helping your skin repair itself, helps your skin cells regenerate. It helps stimulate collagen fibroblasts in your skin. It also is, I think, it's definitely a superfood. I don't know what its ORAC rating is, but it also is great for your immune system. It helps inhibit some of the cytokines, which is actually one of the issues. It's an antiviral. One of the issues with COVID is that cytokine storm, so that there's such a huge increase of those that you can't breathe, you lose the mucus builds up in your lungs, and you can't catch your breath anymore. So bioacetin or astaxanthin, this is the brand that I use, is like all over the place now. Astaxanthin, I think Moon Juice is using an astaxanthin. It's in a bunch of anti-aging creams. It's considered a super powerful anti-aging thing in whether it's topically or in a internal formula. So it's good for joint and tendon health, good for eye health. For the immune cell. Oh, it's also great for your heart. It also helps your arteries be more flexible, have a little bit more room. It makes your lipids, your blood lipids, a little bit more fluid. It also is believed to lower blood sugar. So definitely, I would add this to your diet. I noticed that there are 2 doses available. Generally, it's 4 milligrams and 12 milligrams. I take 12 milligrams. I take this along with zeaxanthin and lutein, which together can give your skin a very slightly orange color, but not bright orange, not like Trump orange, but like a healthy Malibu Barbie kind of tan look, which is kind of pretty, or at least that's what I think. Anyway, I think this, if you are obsessed with your skin, or if you've had chemo or you've had radiation and you want to help your skin repair from that. I know for me, I had horrible rashes on my skin when I was getting chemo. And this was definitely something super helpful in helping me recover afterwards and recover elasticity. Actually, it increases the elasticity of your skin and the resilience of your skin. So, one more tool for your healing toolbox. and have a great day, you guys.